Model, 2020 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 X Blue 2.2 Hdi None runner timing issue Euro 6 no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 113494. MOT, the 5th of February 2026. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine turns over and sounds like the timing is out, and valves hitting the pistons may repair easily. Not sure. Either way, non-runner grin timing chain has slipped. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features